India and Pakistan are both flexing their muscles in the Arabian Sea. The flashpoint is the Sir Creek region. India's massive tri-services exercise called Trishul is underway near Sir Creek. At the same time, Pakistan has issued a naval warning for firing exercises in the very same waters. Why is Sir Creek so important? Is Sir Creek the next flashpoint in the India-Pakistan dispute? This is Quick Take, your quick guide. I'm Smita Prakash. Sir Creek is a 96-kilometer long narrow water channel that lies between Gujarat in India and Sindh in Pakistan. It may look like a marshy strip on the map, but it carries huge strategic and economic value. Who controls Sir Creek decides where the maritime boundary begins in the Arabian Sea, and that line determines who owns the exclusive economic zone, an ocean stretch up to 200 nautical miles rich in oil, gas, and fishing resources. In short, controlling Sir Creek means controlling thousands of square kilometers of ocean wealth. That's why neither India nor Pakistan wants to give an inch. Why is the area disputed? It goes back to British colonial times. In 1914, the British drew a boundary between Rann of Kutch and the Sindh province. India says that the boundary runs along the eastern edge of the creek, meaning Sir Creek, that belongs to India. Pakistan disagrees. The two sides last held talks on the issue over 13 years ago. And since then, it's been a frozen dispute. Why are both militaries active there now? India's exercise Trishul is one of the largest tri-service drills in recent years. It involves over 20,000 troops, 25 warships, and 40 combat aircrafts operating together along land, sea, and air. That scale of coordination and jointness is unprecedented. The exercise tests how well the Army, Navy, and Air Force can operate jointly. It's also about self-reliance and technological innovation, showcasing Atmanirbharta, India's push for indigenous defense systems, especially after Operation Sindoor, in which Made in India weapons and indigenization proved to be a game changer. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh visited the area recently and gave a clear warning.
अगर सर क्रीक इलाके में पाकिस्तान की ओर से कोई भी हिमाकत की गई तो उसे ऐसा करारा जवाब मिलेगा कि इतिहास और भूगोल दोनों बदल जाएंगे मेरे साथियों.
Pakistan, on the other hand, is rattled. Within hours of India beginning exercise Trishul, Islamabad issued a notice to mariners, a naval navigational warning for live firing drills in the same region. It also restricted air routes across southern Pakistan. Why is Pakistan nervous? Because India's exercise isn't routine. It's happening right near a disputed zone and involves multi-domain operations, including cyber and space warfare. In simple words, India is demonstrating it can strike simultaneously on land, at sea, and in the air. Let's not forget, Pakistan has been quietly expanding its military infrastructure near Sir Creek. Satellite images show new bunkers, radars, and coastal defense posts. India sees this as a creeping militarization, an attempt to alter facts on the ground. And Trishul is New Delhi's way of saying, "We see you, don't try it." Pakistan's fear is also economic. The Sir Creek, Badin, Karachi belt is its most vulnerable zone. A strong Indian presence there threatens Karachi, its economic lifeline. If India dominates this sector militarily, it can disrupt Pakistan's maritime trade and energy supplies. That's why Islamabad's response, issuing warnings, restricting airspace, looks more like panic than power. What does this mean for the region? This is strategic messaging at its sharpest. Both sides are signaling strength, but the scale and sophistication of India's operations show who's really in command. Sir Creek may look like a muddy marshland, but right now It's the new flashpoint in the India-Pakistan dispute.